In this video, I'm going to show you the very fast method I used in removing strike from my channel. The mistakes we do when we get strike on our channel is that we don't go through our messages sent to us by YouTube. That is, you don't go straight to your email address to check the message sent by YouTube. And the other mistakes we do is that most people will quickly delete that video. Okay, so most people delete that video. You can't actually appeal for that video. So what you'll be doing is what I'll be showing you in this video. Now, if you ever got a strike on your channel, the first thing you want to ask is why and how. Okay, so getting a strike on your YouTube channel actually is the worst thing that will ever happen to any YouTuber on this YouTube space. Okay, and in this video, I'll be showing you the exact steps I used in removing this strike in less than 5 minutes on my channel. And this method I'll be showing you, you can both apply this on your PC and on your smartphone. But before I continue with this video, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joachim. And so what I do on this platform is that I show you several ways which you can earn online. And in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I share some specific ways you can use to make money online. You can find the links down there in the video description. So right now on this video, I'm not going to be talking on how you can make money online, but how you can actually remove strikes from your channel in less than few minutes. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So now I'll be using my own channel as a case study. Okay, this is actually, let me go to the particular video that I received a strike on. Okay, this particular video was the video I received strike on. Okay, so what I'm just going to do after getting the notification from YouTube is that once you receive a notification from YouTube will actually direct or let you know that this video or the video link, or they will make sure they specify on which aspect actually made you got a strike from your channel. Okay, so right now on this video, the link I added to this particular video made me got a strike. So what you want to do is to go over to edit. Okay, so you can actually go over to edit on the particular video, and when you go over to your description, what you want to do is to either remove the link that actually got a strike, because YouTube will actually direct the strike to a particular description. YouTube might actually let you know that this particular link actually is what made you got a strike from them, or if it's from a video, YouTube will actually let you know that. If it's for a video, I'm going to still explain that, but if it's for a link, what you just need to do is to come over to the description. Any links that YouTube directed to you, letting you know that this particular link got you a strike, all you just need to do is to just highlight the link and delete that link. So if that link is actually edited on your description, the next thing you want to do is to make an appeal. You don't make an appeal immediately you got a strike. You will first of all read through the message you got from YouTube and know which particular part is affected. So that particular part that is affected, all you just need to do is to edit that link, and you would now come over to save, then save your video. So once that is done, you can now go ahead to make an appeal. So that is what I actually did to this particular video, and in less than 5 minutes it was reviewed. So after YouTube made a review about my channel, this is the message I got from them. Hi Joachim, we have reviewed your appeal for the following. After taking another look, we confirm that your content does not violate our community guidelines. Thanks for your patience while we review this appeal. Our goal is to make sure content does not violate our community guidelines so that YouTube can be a safe place for all. And sometimes we make mistakes trying to get it right. We are sorry for any frustration or mistakes caused you. We appreciate you letting us know. How does this impact your content? We have reinstated your content. If your appeal was for a warning, you will be allowed another warning in future. If your appeal was for a strike, we have removed the strike against your channel. So this was the message I got from YouTube. You can see that in less than 5 minutes, I was able to get a reply from YouTube telling me that my content does not violate their community guidelines. So when you receive a strike from YouTube, the first thing you want to do is to go through the messages. Make sure you get the exact or the specific reason why you received a strike from YouTube, then work towards that. If it's for a video, the main thing you want to do is to head over to your YouTube studio and edit that part that was affected. After editing that part that was affected, the next thing you want to do is to send an appeal. And once YouTube review your channel and found out that what made them actually give you a strike was not there, immediately they will send you a message like this, and your channel will be relieved of the strike. And so guys, if you want me to make a video on how you can trim your video once it received a strike, you can go down in the comment section and drop a comment. Then I'll be glad to make a video on that to help you lift your strike on your channel. And so guys, thank you for watching this video. And that is how I was able to remove the strike on my channel within 5 minutes. If you got value from this video, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload my next content on this channel.